Hey, boo. Hey, fancy girl. Look, did you see this? The lantern fan. This is the super bright 360 light beam. Child LED built-in fan battery operate. Dollar Tree is getting fancy for 'em. Honey, they been fancy. Okay, they doing the thing like 1, 2, 3. You get what I'm saying? You want to stick around for that. Okay, family, let's go to checkout. Alright, family, our total is $508. So Dollar Tree, this Dollar Tree, honey, they had the Febreze sweet watermelon vine. Honey, the name just make me feel like it smells so good. Okay, then they also have the Moonlight Breeze. Honey, Dollar Tree, they doing it. They are really doing it. And then they also have the cherry air fresheners. These are really, well, I didn't try these ones. My sister used to buy these. She said these was really, really good. Okay, and of course they selling the Febreze car. Now, I did purchase these the other day, and I can't smell them, Dollar Tree. You know, it's not allowing me to smell them. They're not strong, okay? Now, these are $3.25. They come in a Hawaiian breeze. They also have the lavender one, and then the one I bought was the waterfall scented oil warmer and refill. I bought the fresh linen. I think it was the fresh linen and something else. Okay, or was it just the fresh linen? Honey, you can't really smell them now. Okay, but maybe. What about the Wizard, the Magic of Fresh? No, and these. I purchased these as well, Dollar Tree. And you ain't really smelling them, okay? Can't really smell these. And I was like, oh, you know, I purchased the ones from Walmart. The ones from Walmart was, I think, like $3 or $4. And Dollar Tree had them for $1.25. Let me get the ones from Dollar Tree. Honey, I can't really smell them. Peace, family. Peace, 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 peace. So today we are at Dollar Tree in a place to be. Okay, Dina is on the mic like the fabulous MC, if I do say so myself. Okay, let's see what they have inside. Okay, so as soon as you walk in, Dollar Tree still has the solar stake lights. These are $1.25. Fancy. And I told you guys these come in 3 different colors. So they have the copper looking, and then the silver, and then also the black. Oh, so I didn't know Dollar Tree had these sun reader glasses, all right? So these are $1.50. Look at Dollar Tree being the one-stop shop. And this is what it says, okay? 3.25 best view. This is like they pretty much, chow. Honey, Dollar Tree is definitely moving their feet to the beat. You understand what I'm saying in these streets? Alright, so Dollar Tree is getting fancy for them, okay? Look at this, the bling license plate cover. Alright, so this comes in silver. They have the black and also the pink. These are $5. What about this? Lantern fan, LED light, 2-in-1 combination. Child, I cannot make this stuff up. Okay, so a new item Dollar Tree has. This is my first time seeing this. This is the Easter garland. This is $3. Really, really cute. Fancy. Absolutely love this. And then they also have this Easter garland. This is $3 and it says Happy Easter, child. And this is pretty much how it's looking. Really, really cute. Look at the pump. Child, can't make this up. Alright, so you know Dollar Tree selling Mardi Gras mask, okay? Alright, so they come in pink, green, and blue. And honey is the blue for me. Now, green is my favorite color, but when I tell you the blue is giving it, okay? Look at this. With the feathers at the top. Really, really nice. These are $1.25. Alright, so when it comes to the doormats, remember my motto, okay? You buy the doormat. you are no one's doormat. Okay, I just have to say that. Now, this is so cute, hanging with my peeps. Honey, I you know what, I swear is a brother on the marketing team. Okay, look at this. Welcome inside, we're all the same, child. Okay, and then this one, it says welcome peeps. These are $5. Dollar Tree also have the peeps. Is this the Peeps? No, this is just the regular Easter basket. And then they also have the Peeps Bunny 10-inch LED candles. These are $5. They also have the tumblers. I had showed you guys these before. They come in pink, blue, and yellow. I don't think they have any more of the pink left here at this location. Now, Dollar Tree also have the set of 4 egg containers. These are really cute. These are $5. And then they also have the tablecloths, which are $3. So when it comes to the home decor, Dollar Tree, honey, these are so cute. These vases, right? These are $1.25. And then they also have the woolen baskets. I want to see if Dollar Tree is going to come up with some more of these vases over here, because those are cute. Just for $1.25, honey, those are a steal deal. Now, when it comes to laundry bags, Dollar Tree has the mesh laundry bags. You know what laundry bags I really like? I like the ones that doesn't have, like, that's not mesh. But, honey, this to do, okay, for $1.25. Yeah, boo. And then they also have the jumbo, another one, jumbo mesh bag. Okay, this is the real huge one, $1.25. And then they also have the blue one and the bag that's peeping through. These are really good. Really good. And then you guys had said, somebody said that they tried the dryer boards exploded in the laundry, in the dryer. Honey, let me know in the comment section if you guys tried these and these was actually good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get my son a auto cell phone holder. This is $1.25. And then they also have these power strips I had showed you guys in a previous video. Now, someone said these was $18. This is the Tier 1 Advanced Power Strip, Energy Saving Smart Power Bar. You get 7 outlets, surge protecting power strip for $1.25. You cannot make this stuff up, honey. When I tell you steal deal like Holyfield, that's what I mean. Dollar Tree also have the Lip Duo, roll-on lip duo. So these are $1.25. Steal deal. I think that's like pretty much... Yeah, I think this is the only color. You remember these back in the day? Okay, oh my goodness, honey, you would wear so much that it looked like you could fry chicken. Okay, it was so much. And you know which ones I really liked? I like the cherry one, because these used to come. Now I don't know if these the same ones like from back in the day, but they would come in different scents. Oh my goodness, was so good. But honey, you can get 2 for $1.25. Back in the day, they was like $1, I believe. Yeah, I believe they was $1, child. Okay, so I'm gonna keep on reminding you guys about these pads. Super good. Oh my goodness. But the overnight ones, oh goodness, $1.25 for 6 count. And when I tell you they are good, honey, they are good in the neighborhood. You get what I'm saying? $1.25. And of course, these are the dupe of Honey Pot, but they are excellent. All right, so a few days ago we had seen these socks, really cute. The Oscar Mayers, $1.25 cruise socks, the Hawaiian Punch, and Bob Ross. Oh my goodness, honey, do you see the design on these things? Okay, the cruise socks and ET. Oh wow, roll with it. The Tootsie Rolls they have, and then they also have the earheads up at the top. These earheads is really cute. I like these. And then the Mike and Ice. The Kool-Aid, it's not really my jammy jam. Okay, all right, let's talk about the Lotus. All right, so my hair texture, the Lotus was not lotusing. All right, it was not good for me. Now, I had purchased the pink one. If you guys have not seen that video, make sure you go a few videos back. All right, this was not good. I don't know about the purple and the green, but honey, I don't know. But the Marvelous Moisturizing Shampoo. I wonder, you know, a part of me is like, maybe I should try this, but it won't be this week because I just braided my hair, and these are $3, okay? But I've been hearing some stuff about the Porabella, okay? Marvelous Moisturizing Shampoo with avocado and jojoba oil. I don't know. You know, a part of me is saying, Dina, stick to what you know, okay? So, we'll try this probably another time. Alright, let me find out. Dollar Tree is selling the dupe of Girl Scout cookies, okay? Fudge mint cookies. Honey, giving me Girl Scout, okay? These are $1.25, child. Alright, I'm gonna just go ahead and get 2 of these. These are $1.25, the strawberry cupcakes. When I tell you these things are good, I absolutely love these, especially the blue one. Oh my goodness. Now, I am a lavender girl, but the Alani Fresh scent, it is so good, $1.25. And you guys asked me about the Comet. The Comet is good. Foam bath cleaner. Now, I don't see it foaming or anything like that. But it do remove dirt and soap scum. This is really, really good for $1.25. Now, these things, okay, you see these? This is like you gotta buy the handle separate, but these are really, really good to clean your walls with, alright? And then, I don't know if Dollar Tree sells that. You know, the cleaning solution, but Zab, I think the peppermint one, really, really good. Now, the handle, of course, is sold separately, okay? But these are really, really good. And you know what? While I'm at it, let me get another pack of these reusable rags over here. I absolutely swear by these rags. These rags are really, really good. You get 9 for $1.25. You can use them and then toss them. Now, Dollar Tree still have their game day essentials over here. So, whatever it is, if you having a party, make sure you invite me. And I'm not playing. I'm serious, okay? They have the chip and dip trays down at the bottom, shaped like a football. Honey, I said somebody is an Eagles fan here, all right? And then they also have the treat cups over here. You get 6 for $1.25. The tumblers, you get 6 for $1.25. And then they also have the larger buckets. You get 2 for $1.25, and then you also get these little trays for $1.25. Napkins, they also have I think you get about 12 of these. Let's see. Oh no, 18. Okay, excuse me, Dollar Tree for $1.25. Alright, Dollar Tree, moving. Magnetic dry erase board set. This is cute. Alright, so it has the days of the week. It has the erase board, the eraser, and a marker. Child, this is nice. Not you guys having me and Dollar Tree finna cry, okay? Alright? I'm reading some of you guys' message while I'm online, and honey, about to cry. You know what? I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I really hope that my channel inspire you to find your purpose, okay? I know that you have potential, unlimited potential to be exact. I know you have what it takes, and I believe in you so, so much. Okay, so keep on growing, keep showing up, keep believing in yourself. All right, until the next Dollar Tree haul, which we're about to go to right now. I'll catch you guys at the next one. Peace.